In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add captions to your InVideo project using the prompt box. Captions make your content more accessible, keep viewers engaged even with the sound off, and help your videos perform better on many platforms. Today's workflow is quick and straightforward, and by the end, you'll have captions automatically generated for your selected project. First, go to InVideo. Head directly to the platform so you're starting from the main workspace. If you already have it open in a tab, great. Just bring it to the front and make sure you're on the home screen or dashboard. A steady internet connection will make the process smoother. Next, go to your project. From the dashboard, locate the project you want to work on. This is the one you'll be adding captions to, so double check the title and thumbnail to ensure you're in the right place. Now select the project, click to open it. This will bring you into the project interface where you can see your timeline, preview window, and tool panels. It's helpful to confirm that the correct media and audio are present, since captions are generated based on your content's spoken words. Wait for the project to load. You'll see the interface populate as assets and timelines initialize. Give it a moment to fully load. Rushing here can cause tools to appear disabled or incomplete. If you notice a loading bar or spinner, simply let it finish before moving on. Keeping the tab active and avoiding rapid clicks helps everything register correctly. Once the project is fully loaded, look for the prompt box. You'll usually find it in the main control area. Click into that box and type Add Captions exactly like that. This tells InVideo to analyze your project's audio and build captions automatically. If the prompt box seems minimized, expand it so you can type comfortably. Typing clearly and keeping it simple ensures the command is recognized. After entering the prompt, click on Generate. This starts the captioning process. You may see a brief progress indicator while the system processes your audio. Avoid navigating away, closing the tab, or switching projects at this point. Letting it complete uninterrupted helps prevent delays. Once generation finishes, you're done. Your captions will appear associated with your project, aligned with the audio you already have. That's all it takes. Go to InVideo, open your project, type Add Captions in the prompt box, and click Generate. It's a fast, reliable way to make your video more accessible and viewer-friendly, all within a few clicks.